Hello everyone, welcome to Centerspace's Maintenance in a Minute. Today we're going to show you how to remove, clean, and replace your drip pans. If you spill something on your drip pans and need to clean it up, follow this quick tutorial to help. First, make sure that all your burners are turned off and they're cool to the touch. Lift up on the burner and pull it outward until it's loose. Set the burner aside and grab the drip pan. Note where the small opening is for when you put it back in. Remove the drip pan and soak it in hot soapy water. Scrub it with the green scrubby pad till it's clean. Make sure the drip pan is dry and you can insert it back into the stovetop. Take your drip pan and locate the opening where the receptacle goes. In this stove, it's right here. Set the drip pan in place. Grab your burner. Look for the two prongs that's going to go into the opening and into the receptacle. Push it in. Drop it down. Once it's in place, you'll know because it's flat and level with the cooktop. We don't recommend you wrap the drip pans in tin foil because under high temperatures, the tin foil could melt and burn to the drip pan. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you as a resident, and if this doesn't help, please give us a call. We're happy to help.